Hello and welcome to Headsets for Business. I'm Darren Page and this is the basic setup guide for Doro HS1910 wireless headset. Okay, so in the box you have a charger and base station, you have a microphone battery, the boom microphone itself or headset, various leads which we'll talk about in a moment, and various other parts including the headbands, so on and so forth. So the first thing to do is to charge the battery. So if you plug the mains adapter in, that goes in the back of the headset base station. All the leads are color coded, so you just match the first one up, which is green. You pick the green lead up. It does actually have a plug icon on it, so it's quite easy. There's the green, you can see that, there's the green one. You just match that up, plug it in. Okay, so that's power to the base station. Take the microphone, slide the cover off the back, okay, which leaves the battery compartment. Take your battery, make sure the microphone is pointing upwards like this, and the same for the battery as well. If you actually see the Doro icon, if you keep that facing you as well, the plug will be the right way in. So literally you can see this or not, you just little tiny plug just slides in there. Make sure it's in all the way, otherwise you won't get the contact for the thing. Place the battery down the side like that, make sure there's no wires protruding, and just slide on the cap. Okay, so that's ready to go. So you've got power to the base station. Then simply place this back on, and if you notice there is a blue light on there, that means that it is actually charging now. Okay, so how long do you charge it for? 4 hours minimum, preferably overnight. Please don't do it for 20 minutes and think that would be sufficient charge. It won't be, and you'll have problems later on. So 4 hours or overnight. It won't damage it. It'll just give a battery a full charge. Okay, now then, the next thing is to sort out which lead you need and which lead you don't need. All you do is take the orange one, the orange lead, with the two ends like this, orange lead, and that's the only one you need at the moment. So remove any other lead that's there. The European plug can go, obviously. The ISDM filter can go. This is the cap that allows you to put those leads in. So if you need to, actually just slide that off first. Don't try and put them in before you slide that off, because you'll struggle to get them in. So take the slide off. I can just show you if I turn this upside down. It just literally slots back in like that. Okay, so remove that before you actually just try and put anything in. So all you're left with is an orange lead, which you use to connect to your phone, and the various headbands. There are 3 wearer positions: over the ear, which I haven't got at the moment, over the head, the normal headband. I'll just show you how this works. It's very, very simple. It just, you have obviously a circular ridge there, and the same on the actual headband, and it just literally pushes on like that, and you can alter the angle depending on the size and whatever's comfortable for you. And obviously this is on a ratchet as well, so you can alter the headband. So if you're going to take things off, please don't be too hard with them. You know, it is a wireless headset, it is quite delicate. So hold it with both finger and thumb on that side, finger and thumb on the headband, and just pull apart slowly. There you go. That's that. Back onto the charger again. Make sure the blue light's on. If the blue light isn't on, then it's not going to charge. And that is ready to connect to a headset. To a telephone. Please look at the next videos and choose the right kind of setup, connecting to a phone with a dedicated headset port and without a dedicated headset port. So just choose the right one. Thank you for listening. Darren Page from headsetsforbusiness.co.uk.